Sid, tell everybody on the channel about the new toy we got.
This is Carl's new mechanical toy to use for looking over big trucks. It's
Yeah.
a thingamajig.
How does it work?
Like this. I don't know.
Does it go up and down?
Yes.
Does it swivel?
Yes.
Can you bounce around on it without anything?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right, now get to those spark plugs for me.
Yeah. I don't know. No, this is no spark plugs.
Oh, you knew it was a diesel?
I thought it was a diesel and then I read turbo diesel.
Wow,
Trying to trick me.
you actually are learning a few things.
I've always known that diesels don't have spark
What do they have instead of spark plugs?
glow plugs.
Oh, you're so smart. All right, but let's get serious for a minute. Check out our new toy. All right, we did shocks on this today, and this thing was super handy because you get to the top shock bolt from underneath the dual batteries, battery, and loving this. It's got a convenient pouch on the front to put your sockets, tools, nuts, and bolts on. It adjusts right here, and here. That's gonna change the angle this way. Now, as far as your height, you got boom, 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 boom. You can adjust it to the height of the vehicle and go up pretty high. This is a 3500 HD RAM here. This pad up on top is nice and soft. It's like memory foam or something, I don't know. Then you come down to the bottom, you got your lockers on the bottom here. When you're done, you unlock them, then you pull it out, and the legs actually fold up. Take these pins out here and here. The legs fold up and it will sit right here around our shop mini fridge. So when I adjust this to the back setting and it comes pretty much straight up, the legs come pretty much straight up, and it's only taking up this much room in the shop. Pretty cool. Looks like this one is made by Kroak. Ribbit. Tomorrow we got to put a new air compressor on that Dodge out there. So we're going to be using this again tomorrow. This is our last job of the day. So I'll just leave it set right there and pull that Dodge right up to here, and we'll get that job done tomorrow. Maybe do a video on it. This could come in handy for more than just automotive shops, but if you want one, interested in one, I'll try to find a link and put it in the comments or description. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you later.